Contacted Guardian Roofing to come out and inspect our roof because we weren't sure if it was time to get a new one or if we just needed some maintenance. Come to find out that good cleaning and some shingle replacement was all that we needed. And so we had them schedule an appointment and come out and do that. The gentleman showed up on time. He did the repairs and started cleaning the roof and just did a great job. He was just one person and he was there all day until the job got done, which impressed me very much because that looked like to me it was at least a two-man job. We have a fairly large home. The most impressive thing that I got out of the whole experience was the fact when my wife had to leave to an appointment that evening and he wasn't through when we left and he continued to work. And when we got home, you know, when you clean a roof, a lot of stuff come flying off it all over the place. And I was concerned if it was going to get cleaned up. And come to find, when I got home, it was like had never been there, other than the fact we had a nice, clean looking roof. And the guy just did a great job. I'd recommend Guardian Roofing to anybody.